Hello guys, warm welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have something epic. Today we are unboxing the frame and we will install all those high-end parts from the unboxing video. And here we have His Majesty the Dartmoor Hornet 2024. This is #1 hardtail frame for enduro and downhill ride. True legend beyond hardtails, dedicated for the most aggressive riding, including huge jumps, rocks, roots, just everything. There is nothing that can stop this monster. Well, maybe besides the rider's fear. Besides that, this version of Hornet won't make you bankrupt while making you super happy. It's XL size. It's, I think, triple or double butted aluminum. On the front we have tapered angle. At the rear we have 148 millimeters wide, 27.5 and 27.5 plus tires we can mount on this one. So first thing, we will install the seat post, then we will install the other components. Here is our seat post from the preview video that I show you. Okay, nice. Okay. Here it is, our brand new set from WTB. Okay. Okay. Our saddle is completely installed. Okay, next thing, we will install the bottom bracket. Here is our bottom bracket. We will use this one, the nuke proof. Okay, which side? This one is in the right, this one is in the left. Okay. So actually here is the next day, and yesterday when I started to mount this bottom bracket I got a little bit of a problem. If you remember in the preview videos I told you that I bought two bottom brackets. Actually one from some jigs and the other from nuke proof. I bought the second one because I think I had a branch for the nuke proof, but you won't believe they also change for a little bit, for 1 millimeter. I can't install the bottom bracket with this branch, so I decided to visit one of the bike shops and I fixed that this morning. Nice. Little bit on the crankset. I will put from the other side also. Okay, okay. Here is the chain gate. I just finished with the chain guide, so now is in the center, if you can see better. Nice. So I just finished the chain gate. Now next thing we will install the fork. Yes, here it is. Do you know what is this? Okay, take a look. This is His Majesty, the Bomber Z1 180. You should install this thing, this little thing. Okay, there is the bolt. So this one is pretty easy to install. Where is the rubber hammer? Guys, it's in the center. This is perfect, if you can see. Okay guys, the trial has finished. Nice. Now to put some grease on the fork and we are ready to go. Okay. A little bit like this. So this is our industrial bearings. Okay. Okay, like this. Okay. Here is our stem. Okay, nice. Nice. This one. Now, just to measure how much should I cut the fork, and we'll continue that moment of that route. Okay. Okay. Then, come on. Super. The stem cup. The bolt. Here's the handlebar.
Okay guys, before I finish I want to say thank you for the support all this time. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and see you in the next one. Peace.